How about triskaidekaphobia? That's the fear of Friday the 13th. I know a lot of people on the floor have that. Of course, Friday the 13th is today. History shows it may be a day investors should fear the S&P 500. Data show that the S&P 500 underperforms on Friday the 13th compared to all other Fridays during the year. It has returns of what would equate to about 4.2% per year on Friday the 13th. The rest of the Fridays would be 13% annualized returns. What do we have to fear? And let's invest through that fear. Let's bring in Hank Smith, Chief Investment Officer at Haverford Trust. This is bordering on ridiculous. Triskaidekaphobia. Get me your sectors that are safe on any day right now in this atmosphere.
Well, Liz, first, congratulations on your pronunciation. That was fantastic.
Thank you.
I could not have done that.
Thank you.
Yes, look, we continue to believe this is an environment in which you want to invest in the offensive sectors, such as industrials, basic material, financials, yes, some technology, but don't ignore the defensive sectors, consumer staples and healthcare. With this exception, we would ignore the real yield-sensitive sectors, such as utilities, telecommunications, and REITs. We would stay away from those sectors because rising rates clearly do not bode well for those three sectors.
Okay, when you say old tech, I want to bring that up because you say you like it as a quality sector. Tell me if you still like it, knowing that next week Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin is going to come out with a list of ways and names of Chinese tech that need to be banned from investing in the United States technology sector.
Well, look, you raised a very good point. Tariffs and the risk of trade war escalation, that is a clear risk factor for the market. But one of the reasons we like old tech is we focus on dividends and growth of dividends. And in the technology sector, you've got to go to old tech to get that, whether it's a Microsoft, a Cisco, an Apple. And yet these companies are evolving, and I'm not even sure you can call them old tech anymore.
You're talking Microsoft and Cisco are your picks.
Yes.
And what about these, I guess you could say REITs, the Real Estate Investment Trust? You're the second countdown closer this week who has said that he likes REITs.
Yeah, no, I would stay away from them just because I don't think they're going to do well.
My bad.
Yeah, in a rising rate environment.
Okay, because we do have some decent returns when it comes to dividends there, but your other spooky sectors, as you said, telecom and utilities.
Right.
Look, we chopped our losses in half. We're going into a weekend where there are questions about what kind of action we might see in Syria. You worried at all as we're about to hear the closing bell?
Well, I think every single weekend you're worried about what's going to come out of the White House in terms of an unexpected tweet. And Charlie, in the segment before, brought up something to potentially worry about.
Yeah.
But no, the fundamentals are strong, and stay invested. Use these sell-offs as opportunities.